Well, what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a 2009 Triumph Bonneville Black. This is one of my favorite bikes, and today we're gonna give it a cafe racer makeover. Well, that's a wrap on this budget Bonneville build. I hope you enjoyed it. It is an example of just some simple things you can do to make a bike stand out and look a little bit different. If you like this video, give me a like. If you loved the bike or hated it or what you would have done different, let me know in the comments below. Either way, hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more content and motorcycle projects like this one.